we often get is, can the Adirondack Firestone fire lighter be used in a wood-burning stove? And the answer is yes. Today I'm going to show you how. A wood-burning stove is different than a traditional fireplace, and we use something called dogs in our stove. We have 2 of them, and it elevates the wood a little bit, making it a little easier to light the fire. So we'll place our logs on the dogs. And next we'll take our fire lighter that has been soaking in our candle and lamp oil, and we're going to roll it in dry ashes. Next you're going to light it. And place it under the logs. The Firestone will burn for about 20 minutes. After that, remove it, let it cool for a bit, and then place it back into the vessel, and it'll be ready for your next fire.